So today I'm going to do the unboxing of Redmi Earbuds 2C. So this is the packet. I have brought it from my local MI store, as you can see. So now let's open it. So this is the charging case with the earbuds inside that we have got. So you can see the Redmi branding here and the back side. So let's open this and check what is present here. So as you can see, these are the earpods present here. I have already removed the charging seal and these are charging the charging stick. I have placed it here. So let's take them out. So as you can see, these earpods are pretty small and good looking also. This is the magnetic charging, and here you can see the magnetic charging port. So if we say the in-hand feel, it's very much good. It's lightweight, about 4 grams only. Okay, keeping this aside, I am showing you the box, what the box says. So here you can see that it is saying Redmi Earbuds 2C. It is having up to a battery life of 12 hours playtime. Works with voice assistant, IPX sweat and splash proof. So it is saying that it's IPX sweat and splash proof, means it can absorb sweat and small amount of water, but we cannot use it during the rainy season. So in the box we get, it contains 1 unit of Bluetooth earbuds, 2 units means 1 pair of the medium size buds, a small size bud and a large size buds, means the ear tips. So as you can see, there are ear tips 6 units, 3 pairs, small, medium and large. So if I check the fit here, you can see it fits very nicely and smooth. If I move my head, nothing is happening to the earbuds. It's good. And also if we talk about the music and the playback sound, it's good. According to this price, this is a good product, I must say. It also paired with my earphones seamlessly, and it is also having Insta Connect. That means as soon as we take it out of the charger case, it will connect. So saying about the battery time, the company claims that the earbuds can give a playback time of about 4 hours, and using the charging case we can get a total of 14 hours, and the charging case can charge the earbuds for 3 times.